The latest with COVID now. Another highly contagious COVID variant is on the map, and some are calling it a hybrid of the UK and the India strains. The Vietnamese government says that it's trying to contain a surge in cases linked to this variant. So you might be wondering if that strain could make its way here and if we should worry. Well, we went to the experts. We asked Dr. David Priest, an infectious disease expert with Novant Health, and Dr. Jane Kelly, assistant state epidemiologist with SCDHEC.
It's quite similar to the variant that's circulating in India right now. It hasn't been fully studied, fully characterized yet, but it has some mutations that we've seen before, that we've seen in other variants.
Along with some hallmarks of the India variant, Vietnam's health ministry says this new strain also seems to have similar mutations to the UK variant, which is now predominant in the U.S. Those mutations are what likely make it more contagious.
There's no evidence that it is more lethal or that it causes more severe disease. And as far as we know, the increased transmission is the main problem.
With its emergence, vaccinations will remain key. And some good news.
Current vaccines seem to be holding up well against variants. Now, in some cases, the immune response people have to that particular variant isn't quite what it would have been, but still seems to be adequate.
Priest says this won't be the last variant we discover, but we can slow the process by getting vaccinated, which can slow the virus's ability to change.
We're going to continue to see this in various parts of the world as there are still cases occurring. There are going to be reports on, we found another version that has similar mutations to other versions around the world, and those often develop independently of each other.
And doctors say that the strain does need more monitoring. They need to know more about it. A WHO representative, in fact, telling a Japanese newspaper Nikkei this week that the organization isn't even sure yet if it meets the definition of a whole new variant or if this is the India variant with additional mutations.
Wow.